The main side effect or the main precaution that you should have with this antibiotic is that since it is so fat-soluble, it accumulates a lot in the milk. So it is not recommended that you give it to bitches that are giving milk to their puppies. Why? Because let's say that the breast, the mammary glands are basically fatty tissue. Milk has a very high fat content, so it accumulates a lot in the milk, and the dose that it transmits to the puppy is very high. And this means that many times when we see puppies that have diarrhea as soon as they are born, and you go crazy thinking about the disease it may have, it is not a disease. It is that the owner has previously treated the mother with doxycycline. So first recommendation, if your bitch is in lactation, she should not take doxycycline. And then other adverse effects or precautions rather than adverse effects that you have to have with doxycycline. I have already mentioned the issue of pregnant or lactating bitches, is that if your dog has some problem of hepatic insufficiency, well then, that is to say, if it has some type of hepatitis, then in that case the dose should be lower. I always recommend that it should be at least half of what I have recommended. And then also, apart from liver problems, because if you are giving him some other type of medication, especially it is not advisable to give doxycycline if your dog is being treated with some type of antacid, that is to say, that he has some type of gastritis, or if, for example, you are giving him some kind of barbiturate to calm him down for whatever reason. In these cases, it is more complicated and not so advisable to use doxycycline.